Weoley, it's Eddie from Weoley Tropicals. Just thought I would do a new video just to put this on people's radar. Euphorbia minus Merlot. Look at the colour of this. So I'll pause there just so you could take a little gasp. It's absolutely sensational. The key facts about this plant is this is bone hardy. So this is going to stay there all year round. Take minus 15. So as bone hardy as a Trachycarpus fortunei. Its height and spread are around about the same. It's about just over half a metre. So like 0.6 of a metre both ways. So it's quite a nice compact. And to be fair, the thing that I've struggled with tropical gardens is that kind of ground cover, the low to medium stuff. There's loads of things in my garden like the banana and stuff that grows massive, and cannas that go 6 foot. But then when you look underneath them, there's nothing there. So this is an ideal plant to be popping in those kind of situations. Takes apparently to get to full maturity is about 2 years to 5 years at worst case scenario. They take full sun and they get bright lime green flowers. So it's a real wicked contrast between the two. The one thing you have to be careful with, I think, I could be wrong here, but with almost all Euphorbia, you have to be very careful when pruning because of the residue that comes out is causes skin irritants. I've had it really bad in the past when I didn't know it was mislabeled when I bought one from Homebase, and the very first year that I was doing it all, my fingers felt like they'd been stung by about 1,000 wasps. It's also poisonous as well. So even like my tattoo, all the ink on my tattoo was raised. It was like 3D, but I didn't realise at the time, how bad it is. So if you're going to prune, either prune quick. I'm not going to prune these are brand new, but if I'd cut it quick and then I'd move. Or the most sensible thing to do is just pop a pair of gloves on. It don't take 2 seconds to get that done. Just thought I'd put these beautiful plants on a couple of people's radar, make them a bit more popular. And I've seen them popping up in a couple of the other YouTubers' gardens as well. So just thought I'd showcase this plant and then show off my new microphone. Just hopefully the audio is better now going forward for my YouTube videos. And just as I say in every video, I appreciate every single person that's subscribed to the channel. It's helping me on my major quest to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm about 31 at the moment, so it seems unachievable at the moment, but I'm sure we'll get there. I follow that many different YouTubers because I can never get enough plants. A couple of the YouTubers that I follow have actually started following me, so that's exciting. Like I say, it doesn't cost anything. Click on the subscribe button so you get notified as well, the little bell icon of when the videos go live. This is just my shameless self-promotion at the end of the video, just so my content gets pushed out there. It takes an awful lot of time to do like the bits of editing. I'm not really that great at it, so it takes an awful lot of time to get all the thumbnails and stuff created, and an awful lot of hours, even for like a four-minute video. If also the videos that I make at the moment, I'm trying to get like them done a bit like the SAS, get in, get out. However, the ones that I watch tend to be the longer form videos, the ones that are like 15 minutes to like even like an hour plus, where they're in the greenhouse waffling on a bit. Obviously, I'm in here most days anyway, doing exactly that. So if you want the longer form videos, so you can do what I do, put my iPad on while I'm while I'm in the greenhouse or while I'm at work, and I'm just learning. Because there's so many different plants you're not going to know them all. If you wanted any of the form videos, just let me know in the comments the type of videos that you want, or if you like these little short ones so you can kind of move on to the next video, then that's absolutely fine. Appreciate all of the great comments that I've had so far. I've only been doing it for a couple of years. I don't know everything. I'm just trying my best to learn as we're going, and there's people that I follow that have been doing it for 20, 30 years, so it's nerve-wracking, as I said in the previous video, putting yourself out there to be judged, but everybody's been absolutely sensational. So I just wanted to thank everybody again for the support. Feel free to like all the videos, watch as many as you can, just so we can push that content out onto YouTube. And like I say, anything that you want, any questions that you've got, ping them into the comments.